Welcome to this video, where I will guide you through disabling the autoplay feature in the VSCO app. If you find that videos start playing automatically and you want to stop this from happening, this tutorial will help you manage your app settings quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the VSCO app on your phone. Once the app is open, look for the two horizontal lines at the top left. Tap on it. Next, from the menu that appears, find the Settings option. Tap on Settings to open the app's Settings menu. Then, within the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Video Autoplay. Finally, choose the option that says Never Autoplay. Selecting this option will prevent videos from playing automatically in your VSCO feed. This means you can enjoy browsing without unexpected video sounds or distractions. Once selected, you can exit the settings and the change will be saved automatically. Thank you for watching.